Welcome to Live DIY. Today I'm installing the full camera cage for a Panasonic GH6, small rig number 3784. As you can see, it doesn't fit correctly right away. You will need to remove the neck strap ring on the left-hand side by snapping off the plastic piece and using perhaps your fingernail to remove this ring the way you would a keychain ring. The supplied bolt is removed with the provided 2mm Allen tool. Then it slips into the hole where the neck strap ring was and threads into the cage on the other side. Before tightening it, start the base plate screw and then tighten them both down, and these two attachment points is all it needs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.